Good day everybody, live at Macpressy's farm. Today I'll be teaching you guys on how to treat fowl pox vaccine. It is good you vaccinate your birds before the pox even affect them. Today I'll be vaccinating my local fowl against fowl pox vaccine. Today we'll give them fowl pox. Be careful. Make sure you stab them at their wings this level. That's just the process. Today is fowl pox against fowl pox. Fowl pox is very deadly. It affects birds. It reduces the way they feed, affect them in their eyes, they will not see. Before you know, they start losing weight, and the result is death. So it's good you vaccinate your fowl against fowl pox. Fowl pox is strong, very strong disease. It affects birds, turkey, and the rest. It's good you do fowl pox vaccine.